2022 CF Moto 800MT walkaround at EICMA. CF Moto, the Chinese motorcycle brand, which offers a number of striking models in the local market like the 700 CLX, 650 GT, and 250 NK, has recently launched the all-new 800MT adventure bike in the old continent. Unveiled last year, the bike is the brand's biggest ADV so far and is priced at 13,990 Swiss francs, approximately €63,418, in Switzerland. The bike comes with a muscular body just like the Honda Africa Twin, offering an aggressive appeal. There is a striking sleek LED headlight set up on the front, teamed up with a large height-adjustable windshield. Adding to the better ergonomics is a split-seat setup with comfortable footpeg positioning. The seat height measures 825 mm. Other highlights include a high-mounted upswept exhaust, a pillion grab rail, handguards, a 19-liter fuel tank, a 19-inch front wheel with 110/80ths R19 tire, and a 17-inch rear wheel with 150/70ths R17 tire. The automaker has also added crash protection bars on top of the sleek body panels for safety purposes. Offering the rider all the information related to the ride is a fully digital instrument console. At the core of the CF Moto 800MT lies a 799cc, parallel twin, liquid-cooled, DOHC mill that kicks out a maximum power of 89.7 horsepower and a peak torque of 77 Nm. The engine is coupled with a 6-speed transmission and a slipper clutch. Offering the rider all the information related to the ride is a fully digital instrument console. In terms of electronic riding aids, the bike is equipped with advanced systems like ride-by-wire technology, bi-directional quick shifter, traction control, cruise control, and riding modes. Helping the bike stop is a 320mm double disc at the front and a single 260mm single disc at the rear. Also part of the kit is an IMU enhanced cornering ABS. At the suspension front, the bike gets 43mm inverted front forks and a fully adjustable rear monoshock unit.